If you are wondering if we have access to the pop-up view on Google Pixel 11, also known as floating window mode, then the answer seems to be no. Unfortunately, the floating window mode is still not available on Google Pixel 11. It is still missing, but it seems that Google decided to add an alternative, which kind of works like a pop-up view, but not exactly. So let me just try to demonstrate. What you can do is you can, for example, press and hold your finger on any app that you wish to open in the pop-up view, and we can use something that is called bubbles. So this seems to be the new feature on Android 17, which has this icon over here, so like a rectangle with an arrow and a dot in a corner. So it allows you to open pretty much any app in this view over here. So it is not exactly the pop-up view because we cannot really adjust the size of that window, but we can just hide it, so we can minimize it to this bubble over here. So now we can attach it to one of the sides. And if you tap on that app icon, then you can, of course, open it again. You can also use this plus button to, for example, open another app, and you can easily switch between them. So quite a decent feature, which allows you to quickly switch between apps at once. So not too bad. But unfortunately, it's not exactly the same as the floating window mode because, of course, usually the floating window mode allows you to resize the window. And it seems that many apps are actually working with this feature. So for example, here, I can also use it for the Google Messages app. I assume that I can do the same thing for the phone app, and there we go. Now I can easily switch between these apps just like that. So still a quite convincing, not convincing, but a convenient feature that you might want to use even on a daily basis. And in case you want to close any of these apps, you can just drag the app from the top side over here to the bottom where this X appears. So once you drag it over there, then the app is going to be disabled. And if you close everything, then of course that bubble is going to disappear from your screen as well. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.